take the dash apart and have a look inside the speedometer again, and I did, and it was a little jammed up. I got it unjammed, and I went out and took it for a ride, and as you can see, it went exactly 3 miles before it jammed up again. So for now, we're going to be leaving the steering cowl off and the vent panel out, and I kind of semi-permanently mounted my small GPS speedometer. We'll see how well that works, and my GPS, which also has a speedometer in it. So yeah, going to be looking for some kind of solution for this thing. I don't know if they sell new ones. I'm going to have my 944 parts guy get me a used one at least, so we can see if we can rebuild it. I've noticed the past couple times when I had it apart, the motor did not smell good. It's like as soon as you're taking the gauges out, it don't smell good. So yeah, at least using this, we'll be able to do some mileage tests, and that's about it. Other than that, it's been running good. No real problems there. Ironically, everything is now brand new and replaced in the front end, and it still has that stupid clunk. So I'm going to be trying to figure out what that is. We're going to do a more solid mount to the front sway bar, and we're going to replace the rear sway bar drop links with the rod end ones that Lindsay Racing sells. So yeah, right now our front and rear bars are softly in there with the factory rubber bushings. So we'll switch all that out for more positively placed stuff, and we'll see how it goes. That's it for today. Here's a view of our speedometers. Updating kind of is a little slow on some of them, but our green one here seems to be working pretty good.